In this video, let us see what a unit circle is. A circle with center as origin and radius 1 unit is a unit circle. I drew a unit circle and I chose a point P on the circumference of the circle and named it A, B. And if you see, I made a right angle triangle, connected O to P, which gives us the hypotenuse. And I dropped down a perpendicular line to the x-axis because we always look for a right angle triangle. Now the side which is on the x-axis is represented by A, and the side on the y-axis is represented by B. So hence A, B is A units on the x-axis and B units on the y-axis. And here we have OP, which is the hypotenuse, and it's 1 unit. Let us define sine theta. So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Before that, how do we consider the angle? The angle theta is starting from the initial x-axis, goes on in the counterclockwise direction, which is basically a positive angle. So therefore, the side opposite to theta, which is called the opposite side. In this case, B is our opposite side, and sine theta is defined by opposite over hypotenuse, and which is B over hypotenuse is 1. So this is equal to B. Let us define cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side is A over the hypotenuse is 1, so A over 1, which is equal to A. From this, if you could see, B is sine theta, which always represents y-axis, and A is cos theta, which will always represent x-axis. So this is the final information that I want to share with you, that if you choose any point on the circumference of a circle, let it be the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and you try to form a right angle triangle with theta as an acute angle, right? And you choose any point on the circumference, and that point is always going to be cos theta, sine theta, as cos theta represents x-axis and sine theta represents y-axis.